What's up, guys? Here's a quick update on my week trading. But basically, let's start off with what I did, and my stupid mistake that didn't cost me anything, honestly. I made back my losses, thank God, but it could have made me a lot more, basically. So, start of the last week was Monday, right here. What I did was I was shorting, but I was shorting a little bit too early. And I think you can see here, as you can see at the beginning of the week, I tried to short Ethereum, but it did not work. I tried to short it multiple times and I failed each time. I was down like 300 on all my accounts. Um, and check that out. That's literally right after a massive dump. So yeah, I failed because I entered too early. Actually, I'm pretty sure I closed it off at a loss because I just wasn't, I don't know, I was just very scared of holding it until I decided to re-enter again during this retest of this resistance zone. Um, 1 second. Where the frick is that thing? Here. So I shorted here, and I think it hit some of my stop loss, hit some of the position stop loss, and then I was like, damn it. All right, we need to re-enter because I know there's gonna be a big dip happening soon because on the weekly, I don't know, it was hitting one of the EMAs, and I was just like, all right, you know what? It's time. It was hitting one of the resistance zones, so I was like, it's time for me to actually like try and get this. So I knew it was weak, and boom, I entered short again. I re-entered charts, and thank God it wasn't a big position, honestly, but it was enough to cover up and even made me some profits. So thank God for that. Yeah, it wasn't even big volume. Look at that, just small baby trades, but that was enough to cover up the loss that I took from these big positions. And it was the same with the other accounts. I'm really close to passing one of these accounts. So if you guys didn't know, I trade cryptocurrency and cryptocurrencies, and I use um I'm trading using funded accounts, and I do swing trading usually, and yeah. So that's my update actually. And thank God I'm still holding some of the positions on some of the accounts. But so far, um the profit that we've closed off on was 347, and these are all on the actual funded accounts, not on the demo accounts. So in profit, I'm around $347.8 in profit for the week. And yeah, I could have definitely, what I could have improved on was some of the positions. I actually just, I was just afraid to hold on to it because it was a big size. So I decided to close off early, but as you can see, that's a massive move. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so one of my accounts actually I have to close it automatically because it doesn't allow weekend trading, unfortunately. But on the other accounts, it did. So thank God I made back the loss that I had at the beginning of the week. Sure. Yeah, that's the update. And this is week 7 or something now. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Keep following up on what I got going on, and bye bye.